Let's understand why it is important to unclog the arteries. Consider a road with heavy traffic, how hard it is to move forward. A similar situation happens when arteries get clogged due to cholesterol buildup, making it tough for blood to move forward. This puts you at risk of a heart attack. So, how do we know that our arteries are blocked? A simple lipid profile test is a sure way to know the status of your heart health. However, if one is proactive enough, there are certain signs that can indicate high cholesterol. Since cholesterol buildup in the arteries causes inflammation, pain in the left side of the chest is a sign one should not ignore. Shortness of breath, the feeling that you can't catch your breath, can also indicate obstructed blood flow through the arteries. Apart from this, tiredness, weak memory, and cramps in the legs may be a sign of high cholesterol. But why does cholesterol get buildup in the arteries? By far, bad food choices are the major cause of bad cholesterol. It's important to know that there are two types of cholesterol, good and bad. Bad cholesterol sticks to artery walls and causes blockage. Why risk your health when arteries can be cleansed naturally? Ayurvedic scriptures talk at length about the various herbs that help reduce cholesterol. Out of so many, I have selected 3 ways which are easy, practical, and effective. First is garlic. Although not recommended as daily food, it can do wonders if used as medicine. Unsurprisingly, more than 25 studies have confirmed that having just 1 clove of raw garlic daily significantly reduces cholesterol. Raw garlic contains vitamin C, B6, manganese, and selenium. But it's the bioactive compound called allicin, a type of antioxidant that is responsible for lowering bad cholesterol and reducing blood pressure. Needless to say, garlic is available in almost every Indian kitchen. For best results, have 1 clove daily with water 1 hour before breakfast. Easy on the pocket, efficacious, garlic is a natural remedy to unblock the arteries. Second option is Arjun bark. Arjun ki chal is probably the most effective herb for heart health, so much so that it is often termed as a cardiovascular herb. Having strong antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and blood-thinning properties, it not only reduces the level of bad cholesterol and triglycerides, but also increases good cholesterol. In a study, when Arjun bark powder was consumed for 1 month, it reduced triglycerides by almost 18%, bad cholesterol by 16%, and increased good cholesterol by 10%. Overall, an amazing tonic for cleansing the arteries. You can have a teaspoon of powder boiled in milk or water, filter it, and then sweeten it with honey or jaggery powder. Have it post-breakfast and in the evening. If Arjun tea is not your cup of tea, Arjun bark is available in the form of tablets and syrup as well. Both can be consumed post-meals. Third is Medo har Gugul. Meda means fat tissue and har means to eradicate. As its name suggests, this goggle-based Ayurvedic classical formulation is proven to reduce bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. In a study, when Medo har Gugul was given with other Ayurvedic medicines, it showed mind-boggling results, reducing bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels by a whopping 30%. To get the maximum benefit, it is recommended to chew 2 tablets of Medo har Gugul with lukewarm water twice a day, preferably after food in the morning and evening. Each of these 3 remedies is powerful in their own aspect. You can choose as per your convenience. Follow it religiously for 2 months and then get your lipid profile test done again. You won't be disappointed. Apart from these solutions, there are certain foods which help cleanse the arteries. Foods with healthy fats like A2 desi cow ghee, nuts, coconut, and flax seeds help eliminate bad cholesterol in the body. Water gourd and other members of the gourd family are highly effective in cleansing the arteries. Fiber-rich foods like seasonal fruits and whole grains, especially oats, help cut cholesterol out from the body. Interestingly, when a group of men and women were given just 4 Brazil nuts to eat, cholesterol reduced by 20 units in just 9 hours. You can easily get them online. Apart from food, 10 minutes of Kapalbhati pranayam can melt that stubborn plaque in your arteries. If we quickly recap, chest pain, shortness of breath, and cramps in legs are warning signs that you might have high cholesterol. Lipid profile test is a sure way to find out. Regular consumption of red meat, refined oil, reusing oils, and packaged foods are the major causes of blockage of arteries.